Are you stuck with an old email on Wise and can't log in? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change it. We'll go through the simple steps: access your profile, find personal details, update your email, and confirm the change. So start by logging into your Wise account. And if you're already logged in, great. We're going to begin by clicking on your profile. This is usually a small icon in the top right corner of the screen. It might be your initials or a little picture. Just click that to open up the menu. It's the gateway to everything we need. From the menu that pops up, you'll see a few different options. What you want to do is click on Personal Details. Think of this as your account's command center. This is where Wise keeps all your important information, like your name, your address, and of course, your email. So go ahead and select that. All right, now we're inside the Personal Details section. You'll see a list of different fields here. Look for the one that says Email Address. It's usually near the top. Go ahead and click on the email address button or the field itself. This will open up the option to change it. Now for the part you've been waiting for. Type in your new email address carefully. And I really do mean carefully. It's so easy to make a typo here. And if you do, you won't get the verification email. Double check that you've spelled it correctly. Once you're sure it's right, go ahead and click the Continue button. This tells Wise you're serious about the change. After you click Continue, you might see a screen saying something like, "We've sent you an email." Now, here's the really important part. You need to go check your inbox for a verification link. Wise will send a message to the new email address you just entered. This might take a moment to process, so give it up to a minute or two. And don't forget to check your spam folder just in case. If you don't see it right away, that's the first place to look. Found that email? Great. Click the link inside to confirm the change. This is the final security step. It proves you actually have access to that new email address. Once you click that link, Wise will officially switch over your login information. And you're all set. Now you can log in using your new email. Go back to the login screen and type in your updated email address along with your password. You should have full access again. So whether you switched email providers, you forgot which email you used years ago, or you just needed a fresh start, your account is now updated and ready to go. That's it. Simple and straightforward, just like we walked through step by step.